Okay, so in question 14, 3 experiments are done on temperature in a science lab. Pupils record and plot the temperatures for each experiment each hour for 5 hours. In experiment A, the temperature doubles every hour. In experiment B, the temperature increases by 2 every hour. And in graph C, the temperature increases by 3 every hour for 3 hours and then remains consistent. Identify each experiment by its number. Okay, what did you say about the one that doubles all the time? Graph 1, because when you double, you get bigger and bigger and bigger. So look, where did you start off from, guys? You start off roughly, what number would this be, would you say? I say it's roughly 2 degrees at the start of each experiment. Would you agree with that? Just below the halfway point, isn't it? Let's start with the experiment that doubles every hour. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just make a quick rough graph of what you think is going to happen every hour. You ready? So here's what we think will happen every hour. So this is hour 1, hour 2, hour 3, hour 4, hour 5. If it doubles, how much is it in hour 2? 4, and then 8, 16 and 32. 5 hours it should be up at 32. There's only one graph that does that, isn't there? And 4 graphs it's up at 16. So that's definitely graph 1. Okay, go again. What about the other one? It increases by what every hour? 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 and 10 is located there. So that makes it graph 3. And then because the last one remains constant at the end after 4 hours, or say for 3 hours, then it flattens out. So that's graph 2. Everybody okay with that? Alright, just did it, didn't I? What are they again? 1, 1, 3, 2. That was easy. Write out the domain and range of P. Okay, what's the domain? Can anybody remember what domain means? I'm going to draw like this diagram here, just so you remember what each thing means. Okay, domain is the X values, or the inputs. The range is the Y values. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C. Now, remember, is this a let me see, 3, B. Do you understand what I'm doing there? 1 gives you an answer of A, 2 gives you an answer of A, 3 gives you an answer of B, 4 gives you an answer of C. So, what's the domain, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the range? A, B, and C. Long story short, the range are the Y values and the domain are the X values. Okay? Yes, that'd be the answer right there. Okay? Now, draw this graph. What function do you use? Where'd you go, guys? What you press in the calculator? Mode table. Then 5 plus 2x minus x squared, yeah? Start at minus 2. And then end at, go up in ones. Okay, so Aaron, you got these points here, did you? Minus 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 0, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5. Minus 1, 2. And then you got 3, 3, 2 at the end, and 4 minus 3. Okay, can you call those points out? I'll draw it here. So what's the first point again? Yeah, next one. Yeah. Zero minus 5 maybe? Oh wait. Minus 3. Not plus 3. Minus 3. So that's down here. Sorry guys. minus 2, minus 3. Okay, 0, 5 after that. 1, yeah, yeah, yeah. 4 minus 3. Remember, it has to make it perfect. If it has an x squared in it, it has to either make a perfect n or a perfect u. So it means you've done it wrong. Are we alright with that? Okay. Now, draw the axis of symmetry. What is an axis of symmetry? If this is somebody's face, what do they say about people who look symmetric? What do they tell you about people who look symmetric? When you draw a line straight down the middle of their head, it's like a perfect fold. It'll fold right in on top of each other perfectly. So what do you think about this? This is your face here. Where do you think the line should go to fold it in on itself? Through what number? This line here is the line x equals 1. Why do you think this line is called x equals 1? Any point on this line, what's always equal to 1? What do you notice about all the points on this line? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. The x value is always guaranteed to be 1. That's why it's called that point there. So that's the axis of symmetry. I only had to draw it though, didn't I? Done. Use your graph to estimate the value of this. What is this? That's the function we drew, wasn't it? So I want you to estimate the y value when the x value is 1.5. When is the x value 1.5? Let's go across. Would you say here? Go all the way up, hit the graph and go across. What should our answer be? 5.5. Because this point here is when it's 1.5, the y value is 5.5. There you go.